मी टू का मतलब है कि जो आप चाह रहे हो या जो आप कर रहे हो मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं उसमें इंटरेस्ट है. Understand? I like black color. Oh my god, you like black color? Wow, I also like black color. So you take just chai, and otherwise if there is examination you take 2 cup of
Coffee, because we are backbencher, that's why we have to complete our syllabus in one day of exam.
Suppose we are just traveling in a train, right? And we are going to Kashmir, right? So hi madam, where are you going?
Hello, I am going Kashmir.
Okay, ये डायरेक्ट सवाल हो गया. अब इसको थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक करते हैं, राइट? हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning.
So may I know that where are you going?
Yeah, of course, I am going Kashmir.
अब इसको थोड़ा और पोलाइट करते हैं, राइट? हेलो मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, may I ask you a question?
Yeah, of course.
Ma'am, where are you going actually?
I am going Kashmir.
You're going Kashmir. Wow! You're going Kashmir. I'm also going Kashmir. So if you don't mind, can I have some words with you? Can I have a few words with you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, you look so happy today.
Yeah, because I am going Kashmir.
Of course, that's the valid reason, because I'm going Kashmir.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So which part of Kashmir are you going?
I want to visit there.
Oh, you are going Gulmarg. Gulmarg, that's great. Okay, so I think it's one of the most beautiful place, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen the picture of it?
Yes, that's why I am going there.
That's why you're going. So will you also do the gondola riding, which is called that the chairlift riding?
Yes, I am going to vacation. That's why I am doing every type of.
I will do
adventure. I will do every type of adventure.
Wow, ma'am. Okay, so what are you carrying with you for eating?
Carrying with like some fruits.
Some fruits.
Yeah.
Not any food. You don't know how to cook it.
Order it.
You can order it.
Yeah.
For you or for me?
For me and you. If
I want to know that why did you make a plan for Kashmir? Why not Shimla? Why not Manali? Why not Nainital or Mussoorie?
Because it's my favorite place and I want to visit there firstly.
Okay, great. Why did you make a plan of the train? Why not flight or why not bus?
It's because there is so much experience in train. We can see a view with windows.
She is right, absolutely. That's why I also chose the train, right? अभी थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग कन्वर्सेशन दिख रहा है ना कि भाई ये जो बता रही है वो हमें भी फील हो रहा है और हम जो बता रहे हैं. एक कन्वर्सेशन में एक बहुत अच्छा वर्ड होता है मी टू. हाँ, वो वाला मी टू नहीं, मुंबई वाला जो चला था बीच में. मी टू का मतलब है कि जो आप चाह रहे हो या जो आप कर रहे हो मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं उसमें इंटरेस्ट है. Understand? I like black color. Oh my god, you like black color? Wow, I also like black color. You're going Kashmir? Oh, I am also going Kashmir. Me too. तो me too का मतलब क्या होता है? आदमी कनेक्ट हो जाता है थोड़ा. Okay, so I want to understand, first of all, I want to understand that when will you come back from Kashmir?
I will come back in 1 week.
In a week. Okay. Thank you. Nice meeting you. And we will see you just in Gulmarg.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. That was a nice conversation. Now I want to welcome. Suppose we are sitting in a cafe. हम एक cafe में बैठे हुए हैं. चलेगा? And we are going to start a random conversation. Hi sir, good morning.
Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am also fine.
Okay. Sir, if you don't mind, can I just get that coffee cup?
Yeah, why not?
Thank you very much. Okay. So, do you usually visit to this restaurant or cafe, or is it your first visit?
No, usually I visit there when I am on stress or when I feel good.
Acha, when you feel good,
When I have to enjoy my time, then I came here.
when के साथ दिन नहीं लगेगा. When I feel very good, I come here. दिन नहीं लगेगा. When is a conditional word. इसको conditional word बोलेंगे, दिन नहीं लगाएंगे आप. So, okay, whenever you feel stressed or happy, you come to
Cafe.
cafe. Very good. So, do you like hot coffee, cold coffee, or chai?
I like cold coffee.
Like cold coffee. Very good. So, what flavor? I just want to ask to you, like, why do you feel fresh here in this cafe?
I like atmosphere here. Many people came,
Okay.
so I see them. When they smile, I also smile.
Very good.
When they are talking with the friends, I also think I should talk to them. These all thing
You have a cute smile, right?
these all thing these all thing made my day make my day.
Okay. So these all things make your day. That's quite fantastic, Abdul Rahman has. Okay. So means you are quite interested in talking to strangers.
Yeah.
Don't you think talking to strangers is a bad habit? Like they will be offended sometime?
Yeah, sometimes they offend, but in my case, everyone offend. But if that people every time I see
How many cup of coffee do you take?
in day, if my exams are going on, then I take two.
And when there is no exam?
Then I choose chai.
So you take just chai, and otherwise if there is examination you take 2 cup of
Coffee, because we are backbencher, that's why we have to complete our syllabus in one day of exam. That's why this is very important for us.
Okay. And how do you look so handsome? How do you maintain this beauty?
I don't know, I'm so handsome. I think I'm so weak and not so handsome.
No, you look so cute.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. How do you maintain this cuteness?
Just smiling and think positive and talking to anyone.
Who is the most positive guy or girl in the world?
Everyone, everyone.
Everyone. Who is the negative one?
Negative one, I think camera.
So why are you scared of the camera?
Because when we are so nervous, this thing distract us.
So today just let's make a promise, or let's do a promise to the camera that I'm not gonna be disturbed by you.
Disturbed by you. I will not disturb by you.
I will speak in front of you
I will speak in front of you
and I will remove
and I will remove
the fear of
the fear of camera.
camera. Right? Okay, thank you very much. We are just traveling to our hometown, right? And we are in the train. So I'll be just saying that, hello, good morning, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. So if you don't mind, may I ask something?
Yes, please.
Can I use your phone?